Hey guys, I got a unboxing video and I guess a little bit of a review video. Got a late Christmas present. I guess I shouldn't say that. I guess I actually ordered them before Christmas, maybe. Anyways, the rods for the ppump 6.7 just showed up today, so we're gonna open these babies up and I'll show you guys. So these are Waggler forged Cummins rods. They have them on their website rated for 1500 horsepower. So opening the box up, they're always boxed really nice. You get your bob weight card. So if you guys are having your crankshaft or your rotating assembly balanced, you want to give this, I would bring the rods, but make sure that this bob weight chart is in the box for your machinist or whoever is doing your balancing. Then they give you a nice connecting rod sheet, which also has your it gives you a bunch of information for checking your clearances and all of that stuff, right? And then also gives you what your finished size are supposed to be. And then here in the bottom corner, get rid of that glare, it gives you your torque specs. So these ones are ½ inch, I believe, off the top of my head. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're ½ inch. But anyways, at any rate, these are the same rods that I have right now in the race truck. I have a set of forged rods for the race truck as well, but I took them out. I took them out when I built the engine that's in it now for a different project. And anyways, so they are always packaged awesome. All Waggler products are always packaged really nice. Anything that I've ever had anything to do with, yeah, they're definitely ½ inch bolts. So these are the rods. You guys have seen in the videos that I've done one of these rods that's blued on the end. Hold on, I'll go grab it. So here's the one that I was talking about that got blued. Now this is one that was in the race truck when I had my oil pump failure. That truck makes, I'm gonna say on the tune that it was on at that time, it was about 1,000 horsepower at the wheels. If you could get it to the ground, small tires, so that has an issue. But I was actually super impressed when it had a failure. This was the only rod I had an issue with, which the bearing obviously got hot. But it didn't, the rod is still perfectly straight. It didn't discolor inside there. There was like nothing wonky. All the bushings were still good in them, even despite that it didn't have oil pressure for obviously long enough to get that hot. But I would, like this, if you're doing I would say a moderate to a high horsepower build, I would recommend these rods. They retail at $18.50 US for a set of 6. So, and obviously there's 6. They're wrapped up real nice. Comes with some ARP lube, so the ARP lube for the bolts that you need. I have a big jug of it, so I don't use that. But anyways, I just wanted to show this. So this was what we were waiting for on the 6.7 ppump build, which is awesome. So that means that we can get the short block all put together, because I have everything to put the short block together. So we can start working on that, so I can get it washed up. I got to get it washed up because we did the drilling on it and stuff, and I haven't washed it since we did that. So I'm going to wash that up, and I will do probably a cleaning video, because I've had a couple of people ask about block cleaning video. So we'll do it on that block when we're after doing that. So anyways, that'll be it for this one. Not super exciting by any stretch of the imagination, but I just thought I'd do an unbox / review. Like I said, I really do like these rods. They're definitely a very good rod for the price. In my opinion anyway. So if you're building I guess I should talk into that. If you're building a 6.7 that's a moderate horsepower, moderate to mid-high horsepower, even a 12 valve or a common rail, any of that. These are a good upgrade rod, in my opinion, to help stuff, especially with a 6.7, to help that rod stay in there. You know, you don't have to spend, you know, $4,000 on a set of billet rods, especially if you're not going for crazy numbers, but these rods will stay in the block. So that is pretty handy. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down below if you got any comments, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.